अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आप देख रहे हैं अदब ज़िंदगी यूट्यूब चैनल। वीडियो को देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और साथ में लगे घंटी के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको नई आने वाली वीडियोस मौसूल होती रहें।
If you did a looted the Pakistan, yeah, you should give some receipt. वो रसीदें कहाँ हैं जो आपने सऊदीया में वो मिल लगाई थी, बताएं ना। वो कहाँ पे रसीदें जो आपने सऊदीया में मिल लगाई थी?
तरीका है तुम्हें बात करने का।
सर,
जिसका बात करते हैं, no, 1 second.
yeah,
I'll tell you. Put it on the media.
yeah,
If you want, any evidence from me,
yeah,
let the Supreme Court decide. Okay?
yeah, that's it.
That's it. And I'll go any judicial forum, and I'll go.
Yeah.
I will present my case.
Okay.
Not
That's
in front
it.
of you.
No, for,
Somebody who does not even have any manners to speak to someone.
yeah, look at her. These are the people who looted our money and our tax, yeah, and they are, yeah. You should be ashamed, yeah. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed, yeah. You should be ashamed. Go, Nawaz, go. Go, Nawaz, go. Go, Nawaz, go. You should be ashamed, yeah. You should be ashamed.